bro, all the way down to the end. Oh.
All the way at the end, hey, this, in that little, deer busting at the front of it.
Alright, go straight ahead, Harry, if you can go in some.
Dogs on it, dogs on it. Where that truck is on the road.
About 4 deers, man. I seen 4 deers. Yeah, I got Roscoe right here. He won't run away, but he won't come to me. Keep your eyes open. There could be more coming out. Get out of the side. Watch the crossfire! Watch the crossfire!
Last stand. Stop him, boy.
Get him, Mike, get him, Mike!
Coming straight to you on the edge. Running right to you on the edge.
2 got out.
Hey, we gotta watch that crossfire. That buckshot went right over my head.
All those dogs are on the deer, ain't they?
10-4. You got 3 on the deer. Yeah.
The dogs, stop the dogs. They chasing deer all the way across. They're going across over there where you go duck hunting at. Catch them.
I'm going for it.
The one that went straight to the swamp where we duck them.
Busting out to the field in the back. 4 deer busting out to the field in the back. Just Mike, they're coming your way. Oh, they're bouncing across the other field, going across the property. Oh, no. Man, they came out the back side and outside the swamp back there.
Fuck.
I think I got a dog on the road. Yeah, that's Roscoe. He's following me. He's coming this way, supposedly. Down there hanging out with that beat. Kept him on the ground for a minute. Yeah, I got mine. Henry, I got mine.
They already crossed.
They already crossed. They're on the other side of the swamp.
Would it be worth running to the edge of the swamp?
I know, I got dogs in the field. David, tell him Dixie if you can.
Right here though. Look at his ear. It's coming from his ear, bro. He probably either from the wheels like this guy in the fight.
I mean, he been hunting a bunch of times. I ain't. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. And there's that.
Right up there behind that whisker. Is that a hole?
Inside his mouth.
I think he may have got that dog. He don't seem like he's whining.
No, I mean he's
Seem
looking.
like-
Like
Oh,
he's
if it was a
fine.
bullet hole, you definitely.
Yeah.
But still
I
check,
just,
check him.
I've had an incident where he.
She's been shot before. She's been
other
shot.
dog.
What about right here?
Man, all that hair make it hard to see.
They been standing up like a champion.
I mean, he fucked up my 120-pound pit bull.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
That man right there.
Yes, he did.
That pit bull was a curve, bro.
That must just be his deal. I appreciate it. I mean,
Nah, man, well, shit. That's most important is these dogs, man.
That's a lot of blood.
I'd be fucking worried too, David. Shit. I
I
mean,
went and got this big ass jug of water. I was
Still
prepared.
check him good, man. 'cause
yeah,
that's
yeah.
compared to rest
You
of
got.
the guys.
Let me get a little bit more.
Let me see if I got a rag or something in the truck. Here, hold him right quick.
I got one in the. I got one
Here come that other truck again. Here, you want to dry him off?
I got a towel right here.
Look like his ear split right here.
Yeah, but that's a lot of blood for
I
me.
know.
Man look just like that. Okay.
I hope he didn't kill that dog over there. That ain't all just from that ear, dog. I mean, that's a lot of blood for just.
Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on,
And
baby.
it's not like
There's no hole.
Hey, it kind of looks like this is the whisker part. See how it's like pretty red?
He got in a fight with that.
yeah, he had.
I was gonna say, if Trevor said he was hanging out with the house dog,
Yeah, the house dog's always there.
Unless somebody-
match him.
Unless
He'll-
somebody-
he'll, what, he a two-time winner there, ain't he? When the pit bull win twice, he a two-time winner. His fourth time, he'll go for champion.
This one has been shot before. That's why I was freaking out. Like,
He's still got fresh blood coming out of his ear.
Yeah, that's
So-
what I think that's where it's coming from, man, because it's constantly bleeding heavy.
right there.
I don't.
Damn, boy.
I could check to see if I have any quick stop in the truck.
But if you look at his ear, I don't think he been fighting, man, because you don't see no holes in his ears like it's ripped or nothing.
See, but look at it. He got a cut above his
Do
eye
it.
right there. I'm just hoping he didn't kill that dog over there.
Better the dog than him. You did a good job if you beat the dog up, motherfucker. Better not.
I know, but let me get it clean. It's all dried up. That's why it's. But it's coming out of here. A lot of it is.
What about the tip of his nose right here?
It's always been. He likes to dig through the privacy fence and put his nose up underneath it.
guys we needed to talk to.
That's the people that live.
He got a little cut right here on his face. Right there.
all the shooting came around.
Maybe.
Nah, they're going hunting.
That's what I talked
They
to.
were hunting yesterday out here.
I was gonna say that's what I was talking to
I
yesterday.
think he's okay, man.
It's
scary, hell yeah, man, shit.
Off the road and he leaking. I'm like,
I
fuck.
feel you.
All I heard is somebody might have
It's
shot my
fucking
dog.
scary,
I said,
man.
man, what the fuck?
Stay there.
Hey, it's happened before.
I
That's
know,
why.
I know.
And I'm not saying.
No, I was saying.
That's
what
why I
the
got
fuck,
quiet, because everybody's like, oh shit, like.
That's what happened when motherfucker somebody dog gets shot. Everything get quiet.
Mm-hmm. It's okay, boy.
Part of the reason why I quit hunting with that.
That's why I'm so scared to take Lucy out.
Dixie got shot. Fucking.
Cause she granted she's gray and black, but that little bit of brown that people see, people fucking shoot it.
But
and think it's a deer.
that's why, man, you know, if you don't, to me, if a person don't got experience in hunting,
Yeah,
you know, you
yeah.
got to teach them. They got to learn some kind of way.
Some kind of way, yeah.
David.
Yeah, that's what most of it's coming from, but scary.
You killed?
Yeah, yeah.
You know how
Off of him? Or was it off of him?
Or nothing, right?
He was the first one they seen, right?
I don't
Yeah.
know if it was, I
Yeah,
think
he
it was him and one more dog though, but it had some white on him. I don't know. What dog you see over there?
Might not have been him then. You can tell him he the only one that looked like that.
I didn't see the dog.
You see and they went, they busted through and went through that way.
Hey, Jeremy.
What two dogs were running the deer though?
Jeremy.
It was
The three that came across the street.
brown and tan.
Whoo! Damn. My fucking gun jammed.
Sound like it. Which one's it going? Towards the next hunt? 10-4, 10-4. I'm in this middle, so yeah, I think David, I'm in front of him. There's a fox den right here in the woods.
2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, they're back here. Okay.
From this side, you want me to let them fly over to there? One didn't even sound like it was fucking flying.
The reed got stuck.
Sound like you're dying.
The reed got stuck on it.
Sound like you've been shot already. Sound like it's been shot already.
That was yesterday's dog. Make sure I'm actually loaded. Nope. It didn't sound loaded at all. Okay. That one.
Come on, bird.
Normal quacks and feet chuckles. If you like saw birds, but it's all.
Right on top, bud. Two of them. Right on top. Right on top. Just flew by y'all. It's real cool. Go. Hell yeah, y'all.
Good shit, Bubba.
Good.
Nice shooting, Bubba.
Good fucking shit, Jeremy.
Leave him lay, leave him lay.
Right?
Good shot.
Good shooting, Cat. Who else shot on that?
I shot and Jeremy shot.
I shot both of y'all got those birds. Both of y'all got those
I shot once he got overhead.
Yeah, brother. Hey, those fucking things are warm. Those shot. That's pretty cool, wasn't it? Tucker's like, oh shit.
Left side.
Got above us.
Whoa.
Damn, I fell off the chair.
Bro, I just looked above us. There was like 6 of them. That was crazy.
I went to check the camera and I fell off the chair.
I said, let them ones go. They were way too high.
Okay.
Them first two were perfect.
Two right here. Right there above the tree. Above the tree.
Too high.
Too high?
He got hit.
Too high
He's
for
hit.
trees.
One's hurt. Yeah, he is.
I hear him.
Do nothing. They just fly by.
No, they came right into it. That was too good. That was too good. That was my Arkansas.
I think we all shot at the same exact time.
I think I only heard 2 shots.
Yeah, that's all I heard was 2.
I pulled the trigger.
I did too.
So y'all 2 had to like right on top of each other.
I was aiming at the first
Them other
bird.
ones are a fucking mile high. Though. They ain't worth
No, unless you got fucking
blasting them out of existence.
extra full choke might work.
Yeah.
You can see where they just want to be down to the left.
That's very restricted airspace.
That's where you're gonna kill them.
I was gonna say they do want to land right here on the left.
100, 200 yards away. It's pretty outside.
Yeah.
He in the water already.
I want to be down there.
Yeah.
Philip, I'm about to hit this wood duck call. Huh? Do this wood duck call. What? Do a wood duck call. It is a
What are you
woody.
doing?
Oh. Oh, you got my go one. Yeah.
Hit it.
You got it with it? Sounds like a goose. Yeah.
Yeah, it does. A wounded goose.
Sorry, not this one, but it sounds like a goose to me. This one? Yeah. Here, let me see the other one.
Them birds are calling when they're hitting the water down there. 300 feet.
That's it. They're probably
That's
on
where these birds are trying to go. It's hard shooting a duck past shooting. It's a hell of a lot easier shooting a duck.
God damn.
I don't know.
This one sounds good. This one right now sounds too high
That's
pitched.
why I say there's fucking wood ducks right there.
Where?
They're fucking talking to you. You sound just like them.